be doing something about the finance, Remember, I don't know whether he remembers it or not. That means at least some money that you have to collect from the patients. But he said that was always against him. Even when he was practicing, he never used to collect money. He'll just write some amount and he'll leave it in the case sheet. So somebody has to collect it for him and give it to him. He'll never take the money in his hand. So he didn't want it for the tribal people. So he said, no money. This is a reverse medical tourism. That is, the doctors will come to the tribal area. They will fund for the all the expenses, they will look after. So it is not the people going to the doctor, there's the doctors going to the people. This is another arrangement he's got. So he does camps like that. He has a whole lot of, it is really speaking, not people of one faith. There is a group of Christian doctors who come there, a group of non-Christians, and then another group, ENT and Opta, there is a couple, and then there is all the other different specialities. The surgeries have been going on, whole lot of surgeries they have done, and they don't charge the patients at all. And it is really marvelous how God has been healing these people. That's the only thing that we all do, our family, my family, and as well as my in-laws. My in-laws are very, very prayerful. They'll be on their knees when the things are going on. So things have been happening, and it's really been, he's been doing, I would say God has been doing wondrous things in his